Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a really cool music template like this. Now if you don't want to do it, don't worry. I have a free link down in the description. You could just download it and then you could put in any song that you want without doing the work. So you're welcome. Now I've been a social media manager for 6+ years now, and I'm telling you, creating templates like this that you can plug and play certain things in and all it takes is a few seconds, it's invaluable, especially when you're managing multiple accounts and you're in a time pinch and you can't create unique designs for everything. Having homemade templates, perfect. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go to Instagram, open up the stories, and then basically take a photo of anything. It doesn't really matter as long as you get the process going. And then the next step is to find a color that you like. And then after that, just press and hold until the entire screen fills that color. Now for me, it was a little light green. I think it's green. It's teal or gray, I don't know. So the next step is you're gonna wanna go to the Symbols app and then type in circle and then scroll down and try to find something solid. Here we go. And then just act like you're about to type something, just paste it in there. Size to your liking, and then put it all the way down to where a normal play button would be. And then after that, you're gonna wanna go to the Symbols app again, and then type in triangle. Oops, misspelled it. So I'm gonna type in triangle, and then you're gonna find whichever triangle suits you. Now I think, oh yeah, that one's much better. So then I did that, and then you're just gonna, again, copy and paste. And then you're gonna want to leave it as white right now, or change it to black so you could see it, and then scroll all the way down and put it inside the circle to where the play button normally would be. I did mess up a couple times, but we'll just speed through this. And after that, you're gonna wanna change the color to the background color so it kind of looks transparent. And then next, you're basically just gonna copy and paste the triangle and then put them on each side of the play button in the middle, kind of like this. And then once that is done, what you're gonna do is just type in L, and that's basically gonna be the side of the next and previous button. And then next, you're gonna go to type in more text, and you're gonna do the underscore, underscore, underscore. And now what you're trying to do is make the play bar. So the first play bar should be white, and the second play bar should be a different color to kind of act like it's scrubbing through it. And then once you get all these lined up, the next step that you're gonna wanna do is type in the time. So kind of look at the play bar that you made and kind of gauge if it's a 3-minute song, what the end of that white portion would be. Try to make it realistic as much as possible, always, with everything. So for this, I'm gonna type in 45. You're gonna scroll over to a certain text where I think looks good. You're gonna put it on that side. And then next, we're gonna do 142. Kinda seems about right, right? And then basically, you're gonna move it around so everything looks good. And then the final tip is to add a little bit of movement. So I'll throw some lines in there or anything, kind of given the story itself, make it alive a little bit, give it some movement. And then after that, you just add in whatever song that you like. For me, I'm gonna throw in some Posty because he's my fave. So yeah. Now before you throw in a song, make sure to download what you've done so far. And then that is basically your template. And that is what you can use at all times. So you go to the Story app, go to your photos, find that video, put it in there, and then put whatever song that you want in there. And then yeah, then it basically looks like this. I wish I could play some Posty right now, but I'll get claimed, but maybe I'll try to find something similar. All right, and that is basically it. Like I said before, if you did not follow along, I will throw in a link in the description so you can download the template that I just made. And yeah, you could use it for your stuff free of charge. Yeah, enjoy. For those of you that did follow along, let me know how it turned out. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and/or want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.